Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi without a bamboo mat. Don't worry if you don't have a traditional bamboo mat. You can still create delicious, perfectly rolled sushi right in your own kitchen. We'll explore simple, everyday alternatives that work just as well. Get ready to learn some clever tricks to achieve those beautiful, restaurant-quality rolls using items you likely already have on hand. It's easier than you think to master this technique. First, let's prepare your rolling station. If using plastic wrap, lay out a piece about 12 inches long on a clean, flat surface. For a kitchen towel, make sure it's clean and slightly damp, then lay it flat. This provides the necessary grip and flexibility. Arrange your nori sheet, shiny side down, on your chosen surface. Have your sushi rice, fillings, and a small bowl of water for your hands nearby. Organization is key for a smooth rolling process. Now for the fun part, rolling. With slightly wet hands, spread about 1 cup of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving about a 1-inch border at the top. Place your desired fillings horizontally across the bottom third of the rice. Using your plastic wrap or towel, gently lift the edge closest to you and begin to roll, tucking the ingredients in tightly. Apply firm, even pressure as you roll forward, shaping the sushi into a compact cylinder. Keep it snug. To finish, gently press along the seam to seal your roll completely. Now, for slicing, a sharp, damp knife is your best friend. Dip your knife in water and wipe it clean between each cut to prevent sticking. Slice your roll into 8 equal pieces, aiming for about 1½ inches per piece. This ensures beautiful, clean cuts and a professional presentation. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.